everybody, damn Sam here at his latest renovation. We've had top done, so we've got scaffold up and they've put this top on. I'm quite pleased with that. So that's on its first coat. It looks 100 times better already. And that's going to be fantastic when it's done. I've just got to pick colour. I ain't decided on it yet. Colour. I think that wire needs to come down. I'm glad they ain't plastered it in, but that's going to look fantastic. I need to get up there and clean underneath the gutter. That's going to be one of my jobs. But happy with that so far. It's going to make the house look 100 times better than that scabby pebble dashing that we're dropping off. Next job, once this is finished, is to get just deciding whether to have windows sprayed. Do I just have front ends done that are oak, or do I get back ones done and all, just so it's going to look a lot more modern? We ain't going to be bothered, are we, on that thing? I hope it don't rain. I hope it's not going to rain. I was going to say it's off then, but it's not. They just turned it round. Old trick for renderers, just to downpipe round. Happy with that. So do I get these light oak ones? What do we reckon? They look alright, and they need to be anthracite, which is a more modern look. Save me a couple of grand if I don't have it done, but then I'm not sure whether I like that door. Let me know in comments what you think. But I'm going to get a cloth and I'm going to get thingy. So just a quick update. SA renovation, first quarter render on. See you later.